Hello, today you join us in Staffordshire where we're going to take a walk to Lud's Church. Come on! We started at the Wincle Brewery on the Cheshire-Staffordshire border. You can find the postcode below. It was great to see some bluebells, especially after we missed out at Ranadale Notch. It's really peaceful here. Got the gentle flow of the river in the background and birds. So after nearly overheating last week at Ingleton, I thought I'd get a more lightweight coat, which I brought with me, haven't even worn. And in fact, as you can see, I'm down to my t-shirt. One of the things I really enjoyed about this walk was the way the landscape kept changing from gorse, forest, river. I just heard a cuckoo. I can't remember the last time I heard one of those. We're almost there now, and the route hasn't been as busy as I thought it might have been. We have started a lot later today, but more importantly, there are lots of different directions that you can approach Lud's Church from, of course. I'm going up a hill. I shouldn't film when I'm going uphill, should I? Anyway, we'll be there soon. Let's see how busy it is. Everything we've climbed so far has been easy compared to what's coming up. Just started what looks like quite a long, steady climb up we're going to stop and have a little rest before we begin the last climb. Time to eat.
I had no idea about this view until I sent the Mini 3 up.
Right, my energy levels peaked up. Let's get on to the final climb up to Lud's Church.
Local legend says that the gorge was created by the devil's fingernail. It's also connected to the legend of Sir Gawain and the Green Knight. But what's definitely true is that this was a secret mating place for the Lollards, a Christian sect that didn't want to follow the practices and dogma of the Catholic Church in the 15th century.
The drop in temperature here is really quite profound. You can feel it straight away as soon as you enter.
The main gorge is quite wide, but at the topmost end it splits, with tight passages linking the two. The other passage, as you can see, is quite tight.
If you've enjoyed our route today and you'd like to explore Lud's Church for yourself, well, if you look in the description below, there's a link to my commute route, so you can follow it too. You could also follow my profile if you like. And also, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Oh, and make sure you ding that bell so you get notification. I'm starting to slow down now, and it's time for confessions. When we arrived, there was no internet access on Commute. I suppose that's why it's better to use a proper paper map, really, rather than GPS and a mapping app. But we went the wrong way and walked and did a total of about 1.5 miles in the wrong, well, there and back. So we've ended up walking quite a long way. There's Commute telling me what to do, look. So we ended up walking much further than we intended today because of our little mistake. But I know it'll be worth it. I say that every week. And we've just crossed the bridge. We're back in Wincle. I'm assuming that's how you pronounce it and not some strange English pronunciation. And we're back in Cheshire. That last half an hour was really grueling. As I said, we did add about an extra 1.5 miles on by going the wrong way. And maybe, either I need to lose weight, obviously, or maybe it is just being older. But I am finding these walks a lot harder than I was expecting them to be. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you've enjoyed it. If you want to find out what we do next on our journey to explore England and beyond with our hiking boots and our drone, and also hoping to lose a bit of weight and get fitter. You take care. See you later. Bye.